In an experiment to verify Stokes' law, a small spherical ball of radius r and density ρ falls under gravity through a distance h in air before entering a tank of water. If the terminal velocity of the ball inside water is same as its velocity just before entering the water surface, then the value of h is proportional to, like we can calculate the velocity of a free-falling object after time t by multiplying its acceleration, which is g into the time taken. Similarly, we can calculate the velocity of an object after it falls a certain height. Use the formula root 2gh. Now, according to Stokes' law, we know that terminal velocity is given by 2 by 9 r square rho minus sigma divided by eta. Now we can simply equate the two and simplify for h. Then we can obtain the relation h is proportional to r to the power 4. Hence our solution is option number 1, r to the power 4.